Hello everyone, I am Preeti and you are most welcome to Colourful Feathers. So today I will share with you how I made these cute stickers at home. So let's start. At first I draw some cute and colorful little stuff like a cute cat, then a cute Mickey Mouse, some flowers. Here you can see I am using the little cute girl's drawing of my previous video. Then I will draw some tempting ice cream, candies and cupcakes. Now I paint all of them with lots of colors. And I want to add some more details here so that it looks like more realistic or artistic, whatever you say. Then I cut one by one to separate all. Then I cover all of them with sellotape. And once that is done, I am gonna give final shape of all of these stickers, and I will keep white border so that it looks like a sticker. So that is our final pieces looks like, and I absolutely love this. Then you can use any adhesive here. You can use Fevicol to stick them, or you can use 2-in-1 tape to attach them, and this is the advantage of homemade stickers. Also, another advantage is you can stick those stickers anywhere you want, like it can be your book, your notebooks, or your lunch box, anywhere you want, guys. Please share me in the comment box below how much you like this process and the final outcome. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, guys. Bye bye.